What's one thing you secretly envy about another member? Actually, Kuya Dan, ikaw eh.
So, ibig sabihin, hindi daw kayo magaling. Yun yung Ikaw lang yan, be.
Babe, it's not you. It's me.
Okay.
Today, we stand trial for Adev. Sa dami niyang prod at sa dami niyang sinulat, bakit wala pa siyang award?
Oh my God!
Oh.
Who has main character energy off camera? Kasi kung wala si Benedict.
DJ, remix, Hello, Gen Z Society. This is Papel.
I'm a John.
I'm Kerp.
I'm Ade.
I'm Sheena.
I'm Dan, and we're playing...
The Gen Z Wave!
Ang daya mo. That's a...
3 layers na lobe.
Guys, sa amin kasi, ganun kasi sa panahon namin.
Gen Z.
But I am a Gen Z.
Wait, 3 layers already.
Sige.
Okay.
Oh. Tingnan mo anong nakalagay.
Nothing beats a Jet 2. Sorry.
Truth or dare?
Okay, wala nakalagay. www.genzmag.com. Oh, I have the power to ask.
Oh!
You know me so well, Ray.
You know me so well?
Okay, Kerp.
Papel.
Hindi, kung papipiliin ka, may zombie apocalypse.
Okay.
Nandun na tayo eh.
Tapos, papipiliin ka, nanay mo o tatay mo?
Oh my gosh.
Tatay ko, kasi nanay ko nasa ibang bansa eh.
Oh.
Apocalypse kasi dun sa kabit.
Nakatape po yun. Papakita na lang natin sa nanay ni Kerp. Oh,
I'm sorry, wala akong pangbili ng ticket.
Okay.
Ayan.
easy question lang. Okay, thank you. Sige.
Switch characters with someone in the cast and perform one of their lines.
Okay!
Okay.
Ay, oo.
PG-13 ba to?
Ay.
Me, John's character. Oh.
Bakit?
Who has main character energy off camera?
Dito, dito?
Dito. Sige.
Kasi kung wala si Benedict.
Pero valid dahil siya yung may sa music, ha?
Talaga siya.
And then X Factor.
Tama. It was Benedict.
So dito lang.
Dito lang.
Pag dito lang, feeling ko, lahat tayo may sariling mundo eh.
Parang sarili tayo.
We are our own main
Main
characters,
character
kumbaga.
off camera.
Sarili tayo.
I would say, pag sa boy, si girl. Pag sa girl, si Papel. Kasi like, sometimes you just see them go,
May camera dyan somewhere.
Actually, hindi sila camera, CCTV camera.
CCTV pala.
oo, ayun.
Hindi lang na titingin dun.
May,
Oo!
sila eh, somewhere eh.
You know the...
Ganun na lang.
That, wow! Wow!
Ay.
Galing.
Oo. Saan?
Ayun.
Papipili mo yung
Sa
audio.
tenga ni Sheena. Sa tenga ni Sheena yan eh.
Deliver a 1-minute closing argument about why pineapple belongs on pizza. Or doesn't belong.
O, defend mo.
Pwede ka ba sa pineapples on pizza o pabor ka ba?
Ayan.
Hindi kasi, yun guys eh. Kayo sa nanonood dyan, tsaka sa upper box. Pag yung isang prutas na katulad ng pinya ay nilagay sa pizza, alright. For me, bagay naman siya yung pineapple.
Anong meron sa pineapple sa pizza? Anong lasa nito?
Feeling ko kasi minsan maasim, ganun. Tapos hindi nagko-connect yung taste buds. Taste buds! ng mga tao dun sa sa labanan ng panlasa eh. Kasi maasim, tapos may matamis, tapos maasim na matamis yung pinya, di ba? Tapos biglang may maalat, tapos
Tinapay.
oo, di ba? So baka doon. Pero pineapple sa pizza talaga eh. The best eh. Ganun.
Pero nasagot mo ba yung tanong?
Okay.
Oo, parang makikipag-away ako.
Let's set a scene.
All right. 3, 2, 1, go. All right, score is now in session.
Ang pineapple sa pizza ay karapat-dapat.
Your Honor.
Ganun.
Yung pineapple sa pizza, guys, ang sarap niya kasi
Wait lang. Ito. Ayoko ng pineapples on pizza.
bakit?
Dahil ayoko, hindi siya bagay eh. Oh.
Bakit?
Ay, ano, hindi. Ito. Ayoko kasi hindi siya nabebelong sa pizza. May tinapay, tapos tomato, tapos may pineapple. Ano yun? Boo!
Tama, hindi siya bagay.
Oh, di panalo na kayo?
Whisper something sexy in the ear of the person next to you. But don't let anyone else hear. Ay, dito pala. Akala ko dito. Okay.
Huwag naman awit sa'yo, G.
Lakas mo, G. Awit sa'yo, girl.
Wow.
Bakit parang namula ka?
Wow. Pinilig ako doon.
Wala, in-overthink ko lang.
Ulo mo nga rin.
What's the most embarrassing moment you've had on stage? Alam mo na ata to. This was from the rerun of Bar Boys 2024. So, may choreo, read the law, tapos maraming talon-talon sa Apple Box. Tapos, pagtalon ko, tapos yung underwear ko was bright blue. Tapos kitang-kita yung audience, parang,
Go, read.
tapos,
Read ako!
iba yung binuklat sa araw na yun. May singit ang pangarap. So, ayun po. So, advice sa mga aspiring theater, huwag po kayo mag-bright blue underwear.
The question is, who in the group do you think could be a better listener? Could be a better listener.
Alam mo,
Hindi siya, ano,
So, hindi siya good listener?
Not necessarily, kailangan better lang.
Better.
di ba ano tayo? Alam mo yung pinagsamahan natin.
Naging showbiz ako ngayon. Tayong lahat.
Ay, tama.
Pick one.
hindi ka mag-agent.
I thought this is the Gen Z way. Sige na lang in the group. Si Kerp.
Lagi akong,
Kasi minsan there's blockings na sumasayo pa rin siya pero nagba-blockings na si director natin. Kuya Miko Angeles ng bago. Sabi ko, Kerp! Tapos,
ay sorry. Gano'n na siya. Ay sorry.
pero magaling siyang sumayaw, guys. Tapos madaling pumick up ng choreo, kaya wala namang problema.
Ba't ka namumula?
Kailangan lang talagang tawagin.
O, di ba nakuha mo?
What's one thing you secretly envy about another member?
Big one.
Hala, paano yun? Wait lang. Paano po yung envy pala?
Inggit.
Actually, Kuya Dan, ikaw eh. Hindi, actually kasi guys, sobrang galing ni Kuya Dan sumayaw.
Uy,
True.
Kung makikita niyo, sample ka, pakita ko. Wait, tama ba sa camera? Dito, yan. Pero yun,
Hindi kailangan nila manood eh.
para makita yun.
Pag ito nakita nyo sa stage, tignan nyo.
Oo, panoorin nyo Act 1 to Act 2.
Pagmas.
Dan. Oo, pag mas dan.
Pick one castmate and roast them in a mock trial format.
Ay.
As in, order.
What's a mock trial format? You know, overthink it, guys. Today, we stand trial for a dev. Sa dami niyang prod at sa dami niyang sinulat, bakit wala pa siyang award?
Oh my God.
No, that's sad.
Sad. Yeah.
No,
Iba
wala
yun.
pa. Because he's a young, thriving, talented. Wait, I have to roast him.
harder.
Alam ko na. We stand trial for Ade for being early too much.
Oh my God!
Wait, being early too much na nakaka-disrupt daw ng mga SM. Yan.
What's one thing about your rehearsals that frustrates you the most? I guess time constraints. I wish we had more time. Kasi, less than 30 days na lang. So yung panic is there. Aabot naman, pero mahirap. So yun, time constraints.
Tatanong.
Kaya tumingin sa akin. Ba't parang kasalanan ko?
Who do you think receives the most attention in the group? And do you think it's fair? Grabe naman siya sa question.
Ang tanong, passing attention.
Ang kasagutan ko ay hindi fair.
And ano?
Ito.
Ay, ba't ako?
Okay.
Ang dami niyang spotlight sa show. Magaling ka. Kasi magaling ka. And do you think it's fair? Yes. Kasi siya yung nacha-challenge.
Hindi ka.
Siya yung nagpa-problema. Which is, magaling ka naman, kaya mo naman yan, broski.
It's the same question.
Eto ka lang. Ako to.
Same question.
If you had to defend one of your castmates in court, who would it be and what crime would you imagine them committing? Pili ko, si Kuya Dan.
Anong krimen?
Ano ginawa niya?
Feeling ko, magnanakaw siya sa ukay. As in, nag-ukay kami one time, tapos sabi niya, hala, ang ganda nito, kaso,
Ano na kasi, mahal na kasi, so parang, what if? What if? Kunin na lang natin papel.
Dapat i-defend mo siya kapag may...
Oh my God! Mahirap mo ipagtanggap. Script na naman.
Question.
Or tanong mo sa sarili mo, boy.
Oo.
Kumain ka na ba?
Ade.
Okay.
Oh.
Puno for the day. Go.
Ade, if you were a music genre, what would you be?
Oh.
Why?
Feeling ko, mga, alam mo yung mga cartoon songs?
mga
cartoon
soundtrack sa cartoon.
Like,
Steven Universe, Adventure Time, mga ano,
Pink Panther.
and inner child healing, ganon.
Yeah, what song or what show specifically?
Steven Universe. Here comes a thought that made alarm me. What someone said and someone harmed me. Something I did that failed to be charming. Things that I did are suddenly swarming. Ayun, yun lang.
Bye, Dan.
Dance like you're in the club and trying to impress someone watching you.
Hey, 5. Wait, dito ka. Ilagay mo muna. 5, 6, 7, 8.
1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. The DJ remix and Dr. P. Emergency. Dr. D. Emergency.
Ayoko na. Tama na to.
pick one member from your group.
Okay.
Then type his name from your messenger or SMS app and read the first result that will come up.
Oh my God. Saan? Dalawa phone mo.
Yung phone ko nandun. Kukunin ko po ba?
We'll be right back. Magbabalik po ang Gen Z mag-Gen.
Viber, try natin Viber.
Yung mga 65.
Read the first result that will come up. I said, always here for you, mi John.
Awesome. Yes.
Tapos dagdag ko doon, And dagdag ko din, and thank you for being there for me. Kasi mga first week or second week pa lang, close na kami. Like, we hit it off so well. The wavelength is like Bluetooth. Bluetooth device is connected successfully. Ganun.
Wow! Ang cute na itong question na to. Who in the group challenges you the most and how has that helped you grow?
Sino nagpahirap?
Di kasi ako dancer, so kapag nakakita ko ng mga galing na dancers, like si Dan and Sheena, pag sila yung nakaka-challenge sa akin, honestly. And parang mas nakakatabi ko pa sila sa blocking. Parang nasi-challenge ako na kailangan ko silang pantayan kasi...
Paano yun? Paano yung move? Hindi ka ano.
Kailangan pa natin manalo, ha?
So, ibig sabihin, hindi daw kayo magaling. Yun yung
Ikaw lang yan, be.
Tama na. Okay na.
Sorry sa lapel.
Oh. Ay, grabe. Bakit di yung question?
Hindi rin namin alam.
What is your deepest regret in life?
Hold hands.
Teka lang.
Hold hands. Okay lang yan.
Siguro ano,
Yung pagtago ba ng mga pimples mo ba?
oo. Feeling ko, so far, wala pa akong ganun kalalim na regret sa life ko eh. Maling desisyon meron, pero regret parang wala pa.
Anong natutunan mo doon, if ever?
Ba't may follow-up? Isa lang yung question. Wala naman. Ano, siguro yung natutunan ko lang doon. Huwag mong sayangin. Grab it.
Sino yun? Ay, ano yun?
Hoy, hindi tayo magsisino dito.
Walang gagalaw!
Okay lang. Pag gumalaw si Kurt, may kasalanan. So the dare is, you have to choose one of us, act as one of us, without telling who that is, and then we have to guess kung sino yun.
Sige hulaan nyo hihirapan ko. Sige, magano kayo? Clipboard.
And action!
Babe, it's not you, it's me.
Okay.
Okay.
3,
Sabay-sabay tayo.
3, 2, 1. Dad!
Kailangan gawin ni Dan.
Hindi ka gaganyan.
Kailangan nila panoorin pala para mag-get.
Tama.
Yun na lang. Manood na lang kayo ng Bar Boys the Musical from October 24 to November 23. Saan nga ba yun?
At the Hyundai Hall, Arte, Quezon City.
Direction by Nico Angeles, musical direction by Mike Salomon, and choreography by Jomel Era.
Tickets start at $9.99 and you can buy your tickets at Ticket to Me.
For more information, follow us at Barefoot Collab on all social media platforms.
Magsingil ang pangarap!
Magsingil ang pangarap! Magsingil ang pangarap! Sa!